slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back at ya with another video, and this time we're going to be reviewing a pair of Yeezy 380s. Not too sure on the exact colorway, it'll be in the title of the video. I don't really keep up with the 380s. I haven't really kept up with the 380s, so these are for a friend of mine anyways. But yeah, these are UA, so if you don't fuck with that sort of stuff, you can click out the video right now. It's that simple. Save your time writing some dumb shit in the comments. But for those of y'all that do enjoy what you see so far, and this is the first video you're watching, maybe consider subscribing, liking the video, turning on notifications, and also follow your boy on Instagram at RVStuffPV if you haven't already done so. And with all that being said, I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. And let's just get to the video, man. These took about just over a month and a week to come, with another pair of shoes and a couple other things. Usually doesn't take that long. Usually takes 2 to 3 weeks max, but just because of the holidays, I assume that's why it's been backed up. So yeah, also with the shipping too, I forgot to mention, each individual box is bubble wrapped, and then the whole order is in actual box. So shipping is really good with them. Typically you don't really get too banged up on the boxes, but I digress. This is the information for the website, email, WeChat. And if you use the code RVStuff, you can save yourself $15 on your first purchase on the website. So make sure to take advantage of that, of course. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my little intro there. Let's put the shoes to the side real quick. Check out the box. Just says 380 on the top, Boost on the side. And then I guess we'll see what the colorway is right here. So it's called Calcite Glow. So Yeezy Boost 380, size 10, blah blah blah. You guys see the rest of the stuff. So yeah, I think the bottom of these shoes actually glow to some effect. So inside the box you get an extra set of laces. In here you get the StockX stuff, sticker, and then a little paper, and then just the regular paper that would come with the shoes as well. So that's pretty much it. You don't get anything else inside the box. Pretty simple. Throw that to the side, and let's take a look at the shoes. So here they are. Like I said, I have not even gotten a pair of these for myself. These are for a friend, so I'm not sure, you know, really what these are supposed to be looking like, but these look good from what I've seen online, so it's a good sign, of course. So yeah, basically with these, I think this is like see-through. There's holes actually in the whole shoe, which is very odd. Now that I see them in person, kind of like an odd thing. I wouldn't say they're a winter shoe just because of the holes alone. So but yeah, pretty dope looking. If you can rock them, definitely with like some sweats or something like Ye would, but definitely not my shoe. That's why I have yet to get a pair for myself. So you get this little RFID tag. Looks good, looks good. And then you also get the little StockX tag as well right here. Back of it says verified authentic. Nothing else though, man. Rest of the shoe just looking like that. Inside the shoe, got the Yeezy Adidas. I don't know where the sizing would be on this. Like the sizing information maybe under the tongue. Oh yeah, so it's on like the left side. Kind of awkward to show you guys that, but there's the sizing info, little size tag right there. Shoe's actually relatively stretchy. Don't know how well you guys can see that, but it does stretch around the ankle. It's definitely good because I've heard things about these shoes being tight to put on, so it's good to have some stretch around the ankle collar for sure. Laces, I don't really know what's going on with these laces and how they work. Honestly, they look pretty interesting to me. Like, I don't know what this is. I guess the laces kind of just go in there, so I don't really know, not too sure. But you got the rope laces on there, and that's how the rest of the shoe looks. So yeah, guys, you guys are probably like, why is this guy so amazed? You know, it's my first pair of these. I mean, they're not even for myself, but it's just my first time even having them in hand, so it's very new to me for sure. Like even just the massive heel, I'm kind of used to this just because I had the oh man, it's escaping my mind. I don't know, the other Yeezys with this, I think it's the 700 V3s that had this kind of elevated heel. So I did get a pair of those for myself, so I'm kind of familiar with that, but everything else is kind of new to me. Bottom of the shoe, I actually like the look of the bottom of the shoe a lot. Super dope. I wish like the 700 V3s had boost, because if I remember correctly, they don't even have boost. If they had boost, it'd be a lot better. But yeah, the bottom of the shoe, I actually love how it looks and how you can see the boost in between each little section, kind of cut out the outsole. And the boost on these, just feeling them in hand earlier, like is super soft, especially around like here. I don't know if y'all be able to see. I'm not even pressing that hard, but it's like going in like crazy. Super soft. Definitely good boost on these. So yeah, that's that. Same thing on this side. Pretty simple little shoe. I don't know if the whole shoe glows. I'll have to check that out afterwards. But yeah, right shoe, same thing. Not trying to take too long with this video. You guys see my point with all them. So bottom of the shoe on this one, you can just see how it compresses too. Super fluffy. So I imagine these shoes to be very comfortable on feet, honestly. Inside the shoe just says Adidas Yeezy. So yeah, if you're wondering if it glows, just ask me in the comment section. I'm about to like do a test after for myself just quickly to see if they glow, because I believe these are supposed to glow. So just so y'all also know, right? Oh, it's annoying the fuck out of me. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below as per usual. And with all that being said, if you're new to the channel and like what you see, show some love to your boy. I'm gonna let y'all go enjoy the rest of your day as always, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.